Hi guys, it's Mark Pyers, home-based business tax coach and wealth coach. Today is June the 15th, 2022. I just reset my fuel economy. I'm going to show you the power of fuel factor X, okay? So I'm on the highway and I'm driving, and you're going to see in my 2020 Nissan Altima, there you go guys, 42.2 miles per gallon. If you look up the specs of a 2020 Nissan Altima, the manufacturer says the best it can get is 38 miles per gallon on the highway. I'm getting 42.2 miles per gallon. Guys, with these skyrocketing gas prices, if you're not utilizing fuel factor X, there we go, 53 gallons per mile. I know I'm yelling. Guys, I'm about to go through the roof. Look, if you've never made money in a home-based business, what better product than one that I'm showing you in real time has proven to work? Fuel factor X, 53 miles per gallon. Woo, baby, I'm telling you. 46.4 miles per gallon, I'm going uphill. Guys, I'm telling you, you've got to get this product in your hand. 84 miles per gallon. Look, people lie, but numbers don't. People lie, but numbers don't. If you do not have this product, I don't know how this product is doing this, guys. 84 miles per gallon. In my 79.5 miles per gallon. Guys, this is live, okay? This is pure information, education, documentation on a product that you could have your hands on. I know I'm yelling. I'm telling you guys, I want to stop everybody on this highway because they need this product. Wow.